At some point in their lives, everyone needs the chance to drive a two-door, 5-speed, manual transmission muscle car. This is my 2006 Mustang GT. This video is not about this car. It's about this one. Welcome to KH Garage. There's not a lot of rust. Quarters look good. No rust in any of it. Even the bottoms of the doors. The upholstery needs some work. I want to see what the back seat looks like. I'm surprised that worked. It's been folded down forever. Ooh, the blanket hopefully saved a little bit of it. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. We'll all come back up with some cleaning and a little steam. Headliner. It's dirty, but it's there. It's been used for storage for the past several years, so the back is just a mess. But hopefully all the leaking oil saved us from some rust. Headliner. It's dirty, but it's there. Back seat looks mint. Before we shut this, my little wire's still there to pull it open. Window is not coming down. Went and got some cheapy tires to throw on them for rollers so we can move it. I'm going to go ahead and get the oil drained, and I'll put a filter on it. This takes a 12 mil Allen key. It's on there very tight. Alright. There's not a whole lot of oil in it, but I want to get what we can out. Oh yeah. Black and sludgy. Ew. Chunky. I'll let that drain and get the filter off. Okay, I got the old filter broke loose. They're still draining some little chunks of stuff. We're gonna run an engine flush through this thing. I'm like really short, quick oil change. Make sure the mating surface is clean-ish. We're going back on with a Wix 51348. I already pre-oiled the O-ring. And I'm not going to write the date or nothing on this one because it's coming off in under 30 or 40 minutes of running the engine. So I got a bottle of this Triax engine flush stuff. We're going to give that a shot so we can flush out as much of the old sludgy crap as we can. And then the rest will just be some 1030 I've had laying around. Absolutely nothing sketchy about this. So I'm sure a lot of people are going to ask, why a Yugo? And why this Yugo in particular? This was my first car that I paid money for. I bought it in 2001-ish from my boss at the grocery store I was working at for $325. We taught all our friends to drive standard in it, do donuts out in the country where my parents live. And then I sold it to a friend of mine for a case of beer and 2 packs of cigarettes in like 2003 or 4. He hauled it off to his property, dropped it off the trailer, and it sat for 20 years. So why this one? It's mine. It was my first car, and when we were kids and didn't have any money to fix anything, it just broke and we were done with it. Now I have a chance to fix it and bring it back and get it back working and running and driving and do some fun stuff with it. My goal, and it's a dumb goal, I want to take it on a drag and drive, like Sick Week or Rocky Mountain Race Week, or a power tour, and just be the slowest, dumbest car there. I think that would be kind of fun. So, thanks for coming along the journey with us, and you probably won't learn anything, and if you do, cool. But either way, it should be fun, and it's a dumb little car, and it's gonna stay a dumb little car.